Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert or add the print area in Excel for A4 paper. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel spreadsheet. Now we can see we open my spreadsheet and here some data. Now we want to set the print area for A4 paper. At first, go to the page layout menu, select the size drop down menu and choose A4. Then select your data which you print. Then select the data and click print area drop down menu, choose set print area. Then go to the file menu, click print option. Then check the preview. We can see the page is A4 and here showing the selected area. You can print this, select this print option. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.